Hello everyone, this is Aiden the Steam Engine, and here we have another custom Thomas trains video. So let's begin, and there are some new ones uh, we haven't seen before yet. But now let's begin. Okay, here we go. Now first of all, I'm going to so you guys remember unboxing all of this ghost stuff. So this is what I'm gonna do. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to take this this little funnel hat metal thing, and see which two Origins Go whips will have it. Okay, here we go. Let me just put my camera down. Let's start with this whip that came with this thing. Wow, there we go. Just nice and steady. Now for the normal width, let's see if it fits. Oh. It does fit a little tighter. Let's see the difference. The funnel on top looks a lot bigger. So anyway, which width will have this little thing, this little funnel hat thing? I'm not sure what it's called. But anyway, that's it for that. And remember, I still have to do my first episode of the Thomas of Friends shows. So stay tuned to watch that episode. Next up, we have Glow Thomas. The Thomas Friends Revolution. Glow Thomas with a yellow van or soft van. It's kind of like the same. Let me just compare it to my custom take and play or take along Glow Thomas and a mini version of Glow Thomas. Tell me which Glow Thomas do you prefer? Trimester, take and play, or take along, or mini scale. Okay, let's move on. Now, next up is Derek. Now, I've seen Psychic Jason's Derek, and I remember, and I just saw not only Psychic Jason, I also see a picture of Train Booty 54's diesel locomotive. Sorry, don't know what kind of train Derek was based off of. But yeah, he was about to make a custom Derek, but this is my homemade version. He's out of salty. Need to get rid of the stripes on and painted this bumper beams red, and there's the back. Side rods have been taken off. Now this next one, well, I want to show this next one for a very long time, but I never got around to it. But let me just show you what train number 5 is. Here we have my own sorry. Sorry. My own custom Trendmaster Revolution Old Safe Henry. This was supposed to be in the 2015 one of the Thomas and Friends The Adventure Begins Greatest Moment pack, but the original Thomas was the only The Adventure Began Greatest Moment pack. There was supposed to be a Henry and Higgins, but I wasn't sure why they weren't there. And this is what the Greatest Moment pack The Adventure Begins Henry looks like. With an old safe that's made for Gordon, and the tender was just from normal Henry. And this coat and this express coat was from the 2021 Talking Gordon. And it's a see inside coat. See the inside? I'll see if I can do black livery James in his black livery with the Troublesome truck. Next up we have Minnie Bluey, or this is Bingo as her sister Bluey. Yeah, I did exactly what Minnie Bluey look like. There's I add Bingo's name to show you this is actually Bingo, and number 20 in disguise. And these are the redesigned Trimester Thomas, Edward, or Gordon's chases. Next, we have a tram engine, or this is Dusty from the Bluey episode Cricket. Yeah, this is Rusty's sister, Dusty. Hold on, let me just show you. Let me just bring out Rusty, show you what I mean. But I wasn't going to. Okay. Here's Rusty and Dusty. The difference is Rusty has red lines, while Dusty has orange lines. I used brown paint to cover the number 7, but you can see the rest by it's all easy to do. Well, the lamp on Rusty wasn't painted, but well, this one, like I said, it's not. It doesn't matter if they're not painted. And these are the, and here's her wheels. Well, these are this is actually, if I may ask, this is the chases from the redesigned Tramos of Percy. I just removed the side rods and take off and painted the wheels yellow. And yes, they still work. Well, this one, well, it's a poor runner. Next is the new and improved Bingo the narrow gauge, the Healer narrow gauge engine. And you're wondering what's different about the new and improved Bingo? Well, you see, here's here's the broken parts of the old bingo out of loop. If you compare to um if you compare that to if you compare that and the new bingo, you can see the difference. And now let's look at the final train. And this is for my dad channel, Oscar Ace J. This is for you. This is for you, Dad. This is for my dad. Here is my classic trimester 2012 Thomas as Young Bandit from Disney's Bluey. Yeah, this is what Young Bandit looked like as a tank engine. Well, I don't have the adult Bandit yet, but I'll see if I will get the right engine to make grown-up Bandit or just normal Bandit. Here's Bandit with well, it has different eyebrows, gray bumper beams instead of yellow or white because I thought that would be a fun thing to do. And the running board is yellow to match his belly. I replaced the red lines with blue lines. And number 18. And if you're a Bluey fan, find out why Young Bandit is number 18. I'm not going to explain it. Or maybe I'll just set the short version. Like this is what he looked like in the 80s. The 80s. And like Bluey, the healer engine, his wheels are blue. I mean, light blue, just like Bluey, the healer engine. And the back looks a little different. So I do. So which next spreader should I make next? So I make Young Red or Young Stripes. Just let me know in the comments below if you're a Bluey fan. So I guess that we'll call it until later. That was my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 engines plus 1, 2, there are 13, but in all 13, there were 11 engines plus Rusty and the old bingo out of Luke. That makes 13 engines. But anyway, that's it for that. Now let's I'll see if I can do my collection of. I'll do a unboxing of those the Emily, Thomas, Graffiti, Percy, and James. I'll see if I can do those. But anyway, guys, that's it for now. This is Aiden the Steam Engine saying thanks for watching and bye for now.